Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello again everyone. So like I said, I only have two of that coconut fiber pole, so I am going to make me one. You see, I have here a bamboo stick, a bamboo pole, whatever. My husband trimmed it for me. This is actually let's see how long this is. Okay, so this is 29 and 3/4 long, and my husband made it a little taper this way here, so that when you poke it like this in a pot, yeah, you have this and you can push it easier. And so remember the cocoa fiber that I have, the leftover of my cocoa fiber that I used last time. Now I have to use it today. So I have cocoa fiber and this bamboo stick or pole, whatever, however you want to call it, and this floral wire. I'm gonna use it to tie this all over it. So without further ado, let's do it. So this here, my cocoa fiber, it measured 22 long and 22 inches long, and this here 11 inches wide. So this is how are we gonna do it. I'm just going to wrap it like so, like this. There you go. Yeah, the bamboo stick has a different size. The upper part is a little bit bigger, so it's going to be what do you call this, it's not going to be so tight. So I have to make sure that it's not going to get loose, whatever. I can't figure it. Anyway, that's how are we going to do it. There. Ooh, it's too loose. Anyway, let me grab something to tie it, okay? Now here we are. I have this zip tied. Let's see how long this is. Let's grab one. So this is 7 inches and a half. Actually, 7 inches and 3/4. So I'm just gonna use this one. Okay, of course my flyer. All right, I didn't know this is how hard this is to make. I'd rather just buy a one that's already made. But anyway, I have the chance to show it with you how they do it, you know. And I'm sure we're gonna make it here. See? I made it! Now let's put this here. Oops. Oops, sorry. Uh-oh. Oh. Tie it very well. Now let's have my flyer and trim this. Here we go. We have that now. Now we have to tie more down here. It's moving. I think I'm just gonna use 2 of it. I mean 3. And then I'm gonna tie it later with the floral wire. There you go. Ooh. So tight. There we go. Now I have a pole for my next plant. But of course, I'm gonna tie it with this one. I have a hole here, but that's alright. It don't matter. I can always put rock on it. I think I should just, yeah, I'm gonna need this one to close it. Uh-oh. There we go. Ooh. Anak ng tipakulo. So there we go. I think I am going to secure that there with this. That way we are sure that it's not gonna go somewhere else. There you go. Yeah, that's why I like using this zip tie, because it's always help me fix everything. Yep. Oops. And of course here. Right. So that's how easy it is to make it. And this one here, I think I am going to fill it with sphagnum moss. Maybe that's what I'm gonna do with this here. So that way you don't have a hole here and no creature will come over here. I mean come in near. So I have another pole. Okay, I have 3 more plants, but I actually have 2 more big ones, so I'm just gonna make another one like this, same length. So thank you so much everyone for watching my video and for my another DIY project. Thank you so much for watching. But before I say bye, let me do shout out with my friends like Timperty. Thank you so much for your support all the time. Of course, I have my houseplant warriors and my succulent warriors. So thank you so much for your support and for your trust over me and with my channel. I hope you don't get tired of helping me. And of course, Team PT joiners, thank you so much. Kuya Pudik TV for your support, and Barangay YPL, yes, Papa Love FA, thank you so much. And Shitana M the Explorer, shout out to you. Thank you so much for your help on my channel. And of course my friends Nanaste, Sissy Love Kusina 99 stuff, Ate Kelly's mom, and of course I forgot the other ones, but anyway I'm sorry, I have a very bad memory, so spare me if I could not call you one by one. But anyway, Sis Chalks Vlogs, thank you so much for your support. You always play my video, I appreciate it so much. And of course the Cactus family, thank you so much. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching my video. See you on my next video. Bye.